So I will be talking about HTML tags, the elements, and we are going to talk about the attributes. All right, so I want you to pay attention to this because a lot of people misunderstand this thing, and anytime they are working on projects they go through so much errors. All right, so what I want you to do now, pay attention very carefully. All right, this is HTML elements, if you can see here. All right, so within the HTML elements we have a tags. All right, so from this head to this head is a tag, from this body to this body is a tag. All right, so this is a tag, this is a tag, and this is a meta tag. All right, so this is also a tag. All right, there are a lot of tag that we are going to use them as time goes on, but I want you to pay attention to some specific one. All right, let's say if you want to link an external an external link. All right, so that whenever somebody click on a link it will take them, or you want to link another, let's say CSS or JavaScript, to this particular project we are working on now. This is how you can do that. So here you bring a link, you type in link. All right, then it will come up like you click on enter, all this will come up. All right, so the link, real style sheet, then this href is exactly where the link is going to go on. All right, so when you type, let's say if you have the CSS saved already, then you can type style.cxx and your CSS will be link. All right, so but before then you need to have the CSS. So as time goes on, when we start working on it, you understand what I'm saying. All right, so let me take this one off for now. So the second one is script. So I'm going to type script. All right, so I will type script and open it there, open and close it. All right, so this is a JavaScript. This is tag. This is how to link up a JavaScript, or maybe you have like jQuery. This is how you can link a script. So what I'm going to do now is the attributes. So I talk about HTML tag, HTML element, and attribute. So here now to link a script, you need to add the script name, like the URL, to the attribute. So here to link that, to do that, you type source, like XRC source, you click enter. So within this quote, that is where you are going to have your JS. For example, I could just say maybe app.js, maybe that is my JavaScript file, and boom, we are done linking it. So this particular one is tag, why this one here is attributes. All right, so I'm still going to take this one off. So for example, now maybe I want to do something like that. I could just come here and say maybe style. All right, so I could just say maybe I want to style something. Maybe I could just say let me do it like this. So let me just give it a color. Let me give it a color, sorry. So I'll give it a color, maybe a red. All right, so this is attribute. So if I go to my browser now and I refresh, you can see that the color has changed. All right, okay, this is one attribute, CSS attribute. All right, so and there is another attribute. Let me take that attribute off. There are a lot of attributes. We have another one. We have the class attributes. We have the class. All right, this is the class attributes. You can decide to name this thing maybe like welcome test. I could just do it like this. All right, so this is the attribute, class attribute. So we still have ID. you need to pay attention. All right, you need to really pay attention to all this. All right, so there is ID. So these are the most common ones. So the ID, you can still have ID like welcome text. All right, so this is it. So if you want to be adding your attributes, you can be doing that in any of the tag. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your comment will encourage me to do more of tutorial like this.